Guys, Motorola is back with a serious flagship contender, and honestly, the Moto Edge 70 Pro Plus might be one of the most underrated phones of 2026. The first thing you'll notice is the design. It looks premium, feels premium, and comes with IP68 and IP69 water resistance, which means it's built to handle everyday accidents without any stress. On the front, Motorola has packed a huge 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a super smooth 144 Hz refresh rate. Scrolling feels incredibly fluid, gaming looks fantastic, and the brightness is high enough to stay visible even under direct sunlight. Performance is another area where this phone shines. Powered by the latest flagship-grade chipset and paired with up to 12 gigabytes of RAM, everything feels fast. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, editing videos, or switching between apps, the phone handles it effortlessly. Now let's talk about the cameras, because this is where things get really interesting. You get a powerful 50-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens for zoom shots. Photos come out sharp, detailed, and vibrant, while the zoom camera helps you capture subjects that are far away without losing too much quality. Even the front camera is 50 megapixels, making selfies and video calls look impressive. Battery life is another major highlight. With a massive 6,500 mAh battery, this phone can easily last a full day and even push into a second day for many users. And when you do need to charge, the fast charging support gets you back up and running quickly. What makes the Moto Edge 70 Pro Plus stand out is that it combines a premium design, flagship-level performance, high-end cameras, a beautiful display, and excellent battery life in one package, often at a price that's more competitive than many rivals. So, the big question is, if you had the choice today, would you pick the Moto Edge 70 Pro Plus over a Samsung Galaxy or a OnePlus flagship? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to follow for more smartphone content. Motorola might not be the first brand people think of when buying a flagship, but the Moto Edge 70 Pro Plus is definitely making a strong case to change that.